How do you delete a TikTok video? Maybe you've spotted a mistake, or maybe it's just not getting the views you deserve. It's really easy. I'm shooting this on my phone, so you can follow along with me. First, open the TikTok app and click on your profile in the bottom right hand corner. That brings up your videos. Then, obviously, click on the video you want to delete. I really like this video, but I want to put it over on my other channel. Can you see the 3 dots on the right hand side here underneath comments and favourites? That brings up this big menu of all the places to share, but there's a row of other menu options along the very bottom, which you can scroll to the left with your finger. The very last menu option on this list is delete, but keep watching because I'll show you what to do if you make a mistake and how to recover the video. We're going to press delete and it brings up this reminder. So let's see how this works. Congratulations! The video is deleted. If you accidentally delete your TikTok video and you want to recover it or undelete it, go into your TikTok profile and click on the 3 lines at the top right hand corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to Activity Center. We can now scroll down again to, there it is, Recently Deleted, and if you click on that, it shows all your recently deleted videos. This has to be within 30 days since you deleted it. They're permanently deleted after this. Just click on the TikTok post that you want to restore, and at the bottom of the video you can see this button, Restore, and it brings up this window. People will be able to view and interact with it again. Click Restore and boom, it's back again, restored. If this video is helping, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button, it really helps me out. And all my videos about earning money on TikTok are in this playlist right here.